Hey everyone, welcome to a new video in FA using SolidWorks. In this video, we'll be learning how to set up a drop test simulation using SolidWorks. So before we proceed with the simulation, let's understand the model that we are going to use for the simulation. Here we have got a PCB board on which we have placed several electronic parts. As you know, any electronic appliance consists of PCB boards over which all the electrical components will be soldered on. Hence, when this electrical appliances drop, we need to make sure that the soldering that holds the electrical components with the PCB doesn't fail immediately after dropping it. Hence, to validate such cases, we perform drop tests on the PCB board and understand the tests that will be developed while dropping them. Let's proceed with the simulation. Click on a new study, select drop test and click OK. For demo purpose, I'll be defining the materials for the components as such, but in realistic simulation, you need to make sure that each component has the exact material using in your real life. So for the PCB board, let's apply the material, go into plastics and use PBT general purpose. For the rest of the items on the board, let us use alloy steel and click OK. Now for the setup of the drop test, we are going to drop it from a height of 1 meter, that is calculated from the lowest point to the point of impact. So for the gravity direction, let's expand this tree and then select the front plane and select the top plane here. Reverse this direction. Our target orientation should be normal to this plane of gravity. So now click OK. Once we do this, if you right click on the result options, we will have a solution time after impact. That is, once the part is dropped, it would experience stress propagation throughout its whole body through elastic waves until which the oscillations are present. Usually, once you set up the simulation, this solution time after impact is automatically chosen by SolidWorks. You can manually change it to. We are not going to touch it now. So right click and run the simulation. Since it's going to take a long time while running the simulation, I have already done the simulation. Let's have a look at the results. So here, this is the stress plot that we have received. Now, if we animate, you can get a good idea about what has been going on. So you can see the part is dropped and the stress propagates all toward the body. Here at the edges, you can see there is high values of stress. We need to add some more solder materials. Make some design changes to make sure the components do not come off while such kind of an impact. Now we can look at the displacement plots, and this is how a drop test simulation is performed using SolidWorks. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.